So after our maths class in which we have learnt about number names, now it's time for our EVS class. So in EVS we are learning about different farm animals, then we have done about different wild animals, we have learnt about different body parts of the animals, what they like to eat, how they live, what type of homes they live in. So talking about their homes only, see class, I have told you that there are a lot of farm animals for which the farm owner, or you can say the farmer, they build the home. But there are some animals, some insects which build their own home, जो अपना घर खुद बनाते हैं. You remember while we were discussing about insects, I have told you that which are the different insects and birds that build their own home. Isn't it? Birds are the one who build their own nest. Not only birds, not only the wild animals, there are a lot of small animals, small insects that build their own home. So today we are going to discuss about some such insects. Is that clear to all of you? Not only insects, but some such animals, or you can say insects, who build their own home. First we have is bird. So bird itself, I have told you while we were discussing about birds that how beautifully different type of birds they build their nest. Some of them weave it, some of them they collect dried twigs. Twigs मतलब जो सूखी छोटी छोटी पतली पतली टहनियाँ होती हैं, dried twigs, leaf, और उनको कितना beautifully weave करके एक दूसरे के साथ जोड़ के they make their beautiful nest. And all of the birds, whether it's a very small bird or big birds like vulture, eagle, or a small bird like sparrow, whosoever, all the birds are making their own nest. Isn't it? Then comes honeybee. So there's a honeybee here. Then honeybee, you all know these honeybees, they make their own hives. जो उनकी hives होती हैं, जो उनके छत्ते जिसको हम बोलते हैं मधुमक्खी का छत्ता. So who's a honeybee? मधुमक्खी. So these honeybee, they also make their own hives. आपने देखा होगा, I have told you also that wherever they find a huge buildings, उनके top roof पे बनाते हैं so that nobody can touch it, nobody can harm them. So these honeybees, they make their hives themselves. Then comes a spider. So you might have seen, I have told you that these spiders, they make their webs with the help of a string which comes out of their mouth. So it's a very sticky string, a very sticky substance जिसको वो एक वेब की तरह बनाते हैं. You might have seen a spider web. जो मकड़ी का जाला होता है वो देखा होगा आपने घर पे कभी कभी. So those spiders, they are also making these webs themselves. Clear? Then we have ant. Ant hills देखे आपने? I have shown you in the book also. वो जो छोटे छोटे मट्टी के टीले होते हैं. So these ant, who is making their house? These ants, they make it themselves. वो खुद से मड को डिग करती हैं, डिग करके वो हिल्स की शेप में बनता है. So these ant hills are made by these ants themselves. Then comes rabbit. So rabbit lives in a burrow. Burrow क्या होता है? Can anyone tell me what is a burrow? Again वो क्या होता है? मड के बीच में जहाँ बहुत सारी मड के हीप्स होते हैं, मतलब उनका जो टीले होते हैं मट्टी के, उनके हीप्स के बीच में वो लोग डिग करके अपने लिए टनल टाइप में बनाते हैं. Those tunnels are burrows. We call it a burrow. Clear? So rabbit again, they make it for themselves. वो खुद के लिए बनाते हैं. Then we have mouse. आपके घर में देखे हैं आपने छोटे छोटे माउस होते हैं, चूहे होते हैं. So आप उनको घर में अपनी जगह देते हो? No, we don't ना. They make their houses themselves and they all live in a hole. They all live in a hole. Hole वो कैसे बनाते हैं? जहाँ पे भी मडी या सॉफ्ट एरिया होता है, जहाँ आपने देखा वॉल्स में वो होल नहीं बना पाते. जो हमारी वॉल्स होती हैं वो स्टोन से बनी होती है, लाइक ब्रिक्स, सीमेंट, isn't it? We use such things. तो वो उसमें तो होल कर नहीं पाते. Where it is very soft muddy area, वहाँ पे they use their mouth which is having very sharp teeth and their claws, उनको यूज करके वो पूरा डिग करते हैं and they make small hole जिसमें वो छुप सकते हैं. So again these mouse, they make their house themselves. Then we have mole. Mole is also making the house वो क्या करते हैं, जो हमारी फील्ड्स होती हैं, प्ले ग्राउंड्स होते हैं या बहुत बड़े ग्राउंड्स होते हैं, उनके अंदर स्ट्रेट नीचे तक डिग करते हैं और उसमें रहते हैं. So they are not only these, then we have different wild animals. I told you they make their own homes. Birds हो गए, I have just told you. Then monkey is having a natural home. What is that? A tree. So monkey lives on a tree. Clear? तो वो तो tree बना हुआ मिल गया उसको monkey को. So not only them, now these insects, they are so small. I have told you now who are the insects? The one which is having either a pair of wings or 6 legs. So they are referred as insects. They are referred as insects. Now see, they are so tiny animals. कितने छोटे छोटे animals होते हैं ये. Still they make their own home. वो खुद से मेहनत करते हैं. They make their own home. These insects हो गए. Then we have, I told you, rabbit, mouse, then bird. All of these also, they make their own home. Now what we are going to do today? Today we are going to match few animals with their homes. So what we are going to do? We are going to identify the animals and simultaneously ma'am is going to tell you what type of home they live in, like कि उनका घर दिखने में कैसा होता है. Clear? So for this what you have to do, open your book on page number 39. So today we are going to do book page number 39 and 40 as classwork. So these two pages are your classwork and page number 38 and 41 are your today's homework. So I am going to explain you both your classwork and homework, and after understanding it properly you will complete it. Okay class? So for now open your book on page number 39. Let's see how we are going to match different animals with their homes. Okay? So class, now open your environment studies book 2 and you will open it on page number 39. So when you will open 39 page number, you will find they make their homes. So today we have discussed about these animals who make their homes, isn't it? So what we are going to do first, write today's date, 19th November 2020. This is our today's date, and after that write classwork here. So what you have to do, match the animals with the homes they make. So these are the different animals we have. Bird, bee, honeybee, then we have a rat, we have an ant. Now these are the 4 type of homes given to us. That is, one is hive. Can you see? It's a bee hive. जिसको मैम ने बताया था मधुमक्खी का छत्ता. Then we have ant hill. Ant hill is a hill made of muds which is made by ant. This is the home of an ant. Then nest. Who makes it? Obviously we all know birds. See how beautifully they make with the help of branches. Branches के बीच में they take the support of these branches and leaves and they build a beautiful nest. Basket की तरह बनाते हैं using dried twigs and leaves. And this is a hole. Can you see mud के अंदर ये जो tunnel सा दिख रहा है? So this tunnel is the way and this big hole is the home. Clear? Now we are going to match these with their homes. First we have is a bird. Now can you tell me where a bird lives? Can you tell me where a bird lives? Yes, bird lives in the nest. Very good. So what you have to do? You are going to do the matching work using your pencil colors. Clear? So first we will take a color. What we will do? We will match this bird with the nest here. So like this we are going to do the matching work. Next we have is honeybee. So where a honeybee lives? Honeybee lives in a hive. Yes. So what we will do? We are going to match it like this. Next we have is a rat. So where a rat live? Can anyone tell me? The home of a rat? Hole. So what we'll do? We'll match it like this. Understood? Last we have an ant. An ant lives in a ant hole. So what you will do, you are going to match this ant hole with this ant. Clear? Now we have few more. That is, we have a spider here. Then we have a mole and we have a rabbit. The three different homes we have is a burrow. Can you see? I told you ना कि एक मड का हीप होता है, टीला सा होता है, उसमें वो लोग अंदर 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 स्मॉल टनल्स बनाते हैं. And this is the home of a, yes, burrow is a home of whom? A rabbit. So what we will do, we are going to match this with a rabbit. Burrow is matched with a rabbit like this. Now next we have is a web. So who makes a web? A spider or a mole? Who makes a web? A spider. So we will match this spider with the web like this. Clear? Last we have hole. I told you ना, big grounds में वो लोग deep holes बनाते हैं. Who make it? Mole. So mole makes a hole. Isn't it a rhyming word? Mole makes a hole. So what you will do, you are going to match it like this. So this color is not visible. We'll take some other color. You will match it like this. Understood? This is how you will do. Now moving to the next page, that is page number 40. Again, it is your today's classwork. So mention date 19th November 2020 and mention classwork. Now match the animal with their tails. Again, matching work. So we need our pencil colors. Now what you have to do, there are a lot of animals given here. We have tiger, donkey, cow, horse, fish, rat, dog and a parrot. What you will do, you have to match them with their tails. So these are the different tails given here. So can you match these animals with their tails? Yes. So let's start from tiger. So where this tiger's tail is, can you match it where the tiger's tail is? This is the one. So we'll match it like this. Now next we have is a donkey. Yes. So can you tell me which is the donkey's tail? Can you identify the tails here? Which tail belongs to donkey? Yes, we have the one here at the top. This is donkey's tail. So what you will do, you will match it like this. Now next we have is a cow. Can you identify this one, this one? Which is the cow's tail here? This is the cow's tail. So what you will do, you will match cow with its tail like this. Next we have is a horse. So have you ever seen a horse? Then you are able to tell which is the horse tail. This is the one. Horse is having a very hairy tail. So we are going to match horse with its tail here. Now moving towards this side, first we have is a fish. So can you tell me which is a fish tail here? You all know that fish, they swim in the water, so they have a different sort of a tail. Can you identify that? This is the one. So we'll match fish with its tail like this. Next we have a rat. So rat has a very long tail. Can you tell me where it is? The one which is at the end here. So this is the rat's tail. You'll match it with rat. Done. Next we have is a dog. Can you tell where's the dog's tail here? Just in front. Here it is. So we'll match it like this with a sleeping line. Now last we is left with a parrot. So where is the tail of the parrot? This is the one. So we'll draw a line like this and match the tail. Clear? Now this is all about our today's classwork. Now what is our homework? If you will see this page number 38, that's your today's homework. So mention your date today and For this page you are going to write HW. Now write A for animal's body part and B for bird's body part. Now there are different body parts given. Legs, beak, ears, tail, horns, claws, nose, teeth, tail and wings. So what you have to do, if it is the body part of an animal, you have to write A like this. So this is a body part of animal, so you will write A. Now if we talk about this beak, whose body part is this? Animal or bird? It's a bird. Beaks तो bird के पास होती है, animals के पास नहीं होती हैं. So you will write B here. Similarly, you will see whether it's a body part of animal or bird, and like that you will write A or B. Understood? Now moving towards the last homework for today is this one on page number 41. So mention today's date, 19 November 2020, and write your homework. Draw the missing part of each animal. Take help of the key. So this is a key box given to you. We have wings, we have teeth, we have a tail, we have a hump, we have ears, then beak, and last we have is horns. Now there are few animals given here like a crocodile, fish, camel, duck, rabbit, bee and cow. If you will observe carefully, you will find some of the body part is missing in all these animals. For example, can you see this rabbit is not having the ears here. So can you find the ears of a rabbit? Yes, we have. So what you will do, you will draw them like this. Clear? So now the picture is complete. Now if we see this fish, the fish is not having the tail. So what you will do, you will draw a tail like this. Understood? So like this you have crocodile, the sharp pointed teeth are not there. Then we have duck whose beak is missing, camel, then honeybee and cow. So you have to search for the body part which is missing and draw them from here. Is that clear to all? Your today's homework and classwork is all clear? So class, I hope you have understood and enjoyed your today's class. Today we have learned about animals, their homes, then how different animals have different tails, isn't it? Then we have also given the missing body part to different animals, and we have also understood about that which part of a body belongs to which animal, isn't it? This is what we have done. So now it's time to complete your work for today, and please start revising all the work. Is that clear to everyone? As we have written farm animals name in our notebook, so in the next class we are going to write the name of wild animals. Then I am also going to make you write what are the different things different animals give us. But all that in the next class. For now, this much. Finish all these 4 pages and please don't forget to share it with me. Clear? Bye for now and get ready for the next class.